Hi there, this video will help you to change different sounds for different sensors. Note, ensure all 4 sensors are paired and on different channels. First, please trigger the sensor until the bass makes sounds. Then quick press the Chimes button to choose the sound you want. The bass will play the new sound to confirm it is set. Continue to trigger the second sensor until the bass makes sounds. Quick press the Chimes button to choose a sound for it. The base station will play the new sound as confirmation. Trigger the third sensor until the base station plays sounds. Quick press the Chimes button to choose a sound. Change the third sound successfully. Repeat the same process for the remaining sensor. Quick press the Chimes button to select the sound. And listen for the confirmation from the base station. Finally, test for sensors one by one to verify that a unique sound has been set for each one.
Garage.